In today's fast-moving digital environment, organizations are constantly under pressure to keep their systems secure, compliant, and available. But patch management is often one of the most difficult security operations to manage. Manual patching is slow, it is error-prone. It depends heavily on coordination between IT, security, and operations teams. And when critical patches are delayed, even a small gap can expose the organization to security breaches, ransomware attacks, compliance failures, and business disruption. This is where Helix Patch Management helps. Helix Patch Management is a comprehensive, automated patch management solution designed to simplify and secure the complete patching lifecycle, from identifying missing updates to selecting the right patches, targeting the right machines, scheduling maintenance windows, deploying updates, tracking progress, and generating compliance reports. Let's walk through how Helix makes enterprise patching structured, controlled, and easy to manage. When you first log in, the overview dashboard gives you an instant snapshot of your environment's patch health. You can quickly see how many systems are compliant, how many are non-compliant, and which machines require immediate attention. This helps your IT and security teams focus on what matters most: the systems that are exposed, outdated, or waiting for critical updates. The dashboard also gives visibility into recent deployment activity, including running tasks, completed deployments, failed attempts, and pending actions. Helix follows a simple 6-step patching workflow. The first step is deciding what needs to be deployed. In the update catalog, Helix lists the available operating system and endpoint updates relevant to your environment. You can identify missing patches across machines with precision, so your team knows exactly which updates are required before starting any deployment. To make the process easier, you can filter updates based on your organization's priorities. For example, security updates, critical patches, monthly roll-ups, or updates released within the last 30 days. Once the filters are applied, Helix instantly shows only the updates that match your security and compliance requirements. From here, you can select the required updates and create an update collection. An update collection is a controlled bundle of approved patches that will be used in a deployment campaign. Give the collection a clear and descriptive name so it is easy to track, review, and reuse later. Once confirmed, the update collection is saved and ready for the next phase. All approved collections are available in a centralized library, where your team can manage patch sets in one secure location. When you open a collection, Helix shows exactly which KB articles and updates are included. This gives full transparency before patches are deployed to production. Your security, IT, and audit teams can verify every patch in advance and ensure the deployment aligns with internal standards and compliance requirements. With the update collection ready, step 1 is complete. Now we move to step 2, deciding where the patches should be applied. Target groups allow you to define exactly which machines should receive a specific set of patches. For example, you may want to target Windows 11 endpoints, production servers, development machines, or a specific business unit. Helix supports both static and dynamic target groups. Static groups are useful when you want to select a fixed list of machines. Dynamic groups are more powerful for large environments because they update automatically based on real-time machine properties such as operating system, version, location, tags, or other attributes. You can also manually include or exclude specific assets to give your team complete control over the rollout. Once the criteria are configured, the target group is created and becomes available for future patch campaigns. Inside the group view, Helix shows the machines that match your criteria. You can review machine details, validate membership, apply tags, and confirm that the right systems are included before deployment. The Group Insight panel also helps you understand compliance status and the rules that control dynamic membership. This makes targeting accurate, scalable, and easy to manage, even across large and distributed environments. With the target group defined, step 2 is complete. Now we move to step 3, deciding when the patches should be installed. Maintenance windows help ensure that patching happens during approved business hours or planned downtime, reducing the risk of disruption. You can review existing maintenance schedules or create a new one based on your operational needs. For example, you may create a window called Friday Night Patching for production systems You can select the time zone, start time, and duration of the window so that patching is aligned with business operations across different regions. This ensures that every deployment happens in a controlled and predictable manner. With the maintenance window configured, step 3 is complete. Now we move to step 4, the most important step, creating and launching the patch campaign. A patch campaign brings everything together. Start by giving the campaign a clear name. Then select the target group you created earlier. Next, attach the update collection that contains the approved patches. This ensures that the right patches are deployed to the right machines. You can also configure campaign priority and dispatch timing so that patches are released when your team is ready. Helix also allows you to control the rollout speed by defining how quickly patches should be dispatched across machines. This is especially useful for large environments where you may want to roll out patches gradually instead of pushing everything at once. Next, select the approved maintenance window to ensure the deployment happens only during the defined schedule. You can also configure reboot behavior. For example, you may choose an immediate reboot after patching, allow users to defer the reboot based on company policy, or schedule the restart within the maintenance window. Once all settings are reviewed, save the campaign. The patch campaign is now live. From the deployment dashboard, you can track the campaign in real time. Helix shows progress, success rate, pending machines, failed installations, and systems that may require manual intervention. You can drill down into each machine to understand its exact status. For example, you can see whether the patch is pending, downloading, installing, completed, failed, or waiting for reboot. The event log provides a complete audit trail of every action performed during the deployment, from initial dispatch to final completion. This gives technical teams the visibility they need to troubleshoot issues quickly and gives audit teams the evidence they need to validate the patching process. With the patch campaign running successfully, step 4 is complete. Now we move to step 5, monitoring the overall patching posture. Helix gives you a bird's eye view of your entire patching environment. You can monitor compliance levels, deployment progress, failed systems, pending reboots, and overall patch health from one place. This helps your organization stay ahead of vulnerabilities instead of reacting after systems become exposed. Security and IT leaders can quickly understand whether patching is on track, which systems are at risk, and where action is required. Finally, step 6 is reporting and compliance evidence. Patching is not only about installing updates. Organizations also need to prove that systems were patched, risks were reduced, and compliance requirements were met. Helix makes this simple by providing actionable reporting and export options. You can generate detailed summaries, compliance reports, and CSV exports for internal reviews, management updates, customer audits, or regulatory requirements. This ensures that your patching process is not only automated, but also measurable, auditable, and easy to present to stakeholders. From update discovery to collection creation, from target grouping to maintenance windows, from deployment execution to reporting, Helix Patch Management gives organizations a structured and automated way to manage enterprise patching. It helps reduce manual effort, improve visibility, minimize business disruption, and strengthen security compliance. With Helix Patch Management, your organization can move from reactive patching to controlled, automated, and confident patch operations. Thank you for watching this Helix Patch Management demonstration.